All right, so this is basically the holder for the compression circuit, and this is a supported needle, so it's supported on both ends, so it's really solid. Whereas the Mark II TTX had a needle came through a little bleed hole, and you kind of got a little flutter like that, and somebody like Troy Bayless could probably feel that, but layman man most of the time wouldn't. But that's where they came to it, so it's a supported needle on both ends. So that's kind of a cool update that they did.
There you go, some food for thought. A little bit of R&D time from Ohlins.
Yeah, exactly.
Only guys like you notice it.
That maybe.
All right.
Like you're so fast. So
That's Barry, KFG Motorsports.
Now we're putting your valving back together after I clean the shims.
That's right, we could call this part 2. This is part 2 of Project Ohlins TTX GP rebuild in dyno. All right, looks like we're ready to put things back together.
Yep. So we're gonna put the shaft together. We got the one stop, body cap, and the seal head.
It's at the garage, it's not terribly warm, so
And all the stuff.
maybe I'll put a space heater.
Off camera, we cleaned everything, so if you're wondering, did a little cleaning.
Clean, clean, clean. Step 1 of suspension.
Yep. And then that on there. We gotta torque this down.
$4,000 a tube. Well, because it's
That there. And we gotta torque it.
oh, you should have seen so I was talking about that bearing. I don't know if you messed with the 1299s at all, but
I gotta get my 14.
steering head bearing, no, it's not with the braces. Why am I?
Torque. So that part's done. Alright, we got the shaft together. Now we need to put the valving in. And we got our spring. Compression on top. Got the special sauce here.
Oh, here comes the train.
Love the train.
This one was open to the rain. Just kidding.
Grease on there. Got started. Spring in.
Probably, yeah.
I mean, it only says like
Line these down. You gotta torque these too. Oh.
What's the torque you're doing for the compression rebound testers?
we can try.
It's 12 Newton meters.
My worry is that but let's see.
Put your dividing piston in.
Yeah, the furnace here, this one, it gets too hot in here, so it closes under the furnace. And if not, even if it didn't get quite that hot, it puts more
And then
chimney instead of
you
being
put the, already greased that. You gotta put your shaft in.
Problem is with everything being bad.
and putting might get
Don't worry about it.
Harder, it's just harder. It's gonna be.
Special tool.
this one is probably that little set of like pin pliers that I have no way they would help it.
What do you call that tool?
That's a pin tool. 3 pin.
So they've got nice little squares.
Just so we can. You gotta torque it down after that. Head down.
Cap off, then slide the tube off.
Torque the seal head.
Could be in the same situation. Huh?
body cap on. Make sure you got it. And the blue towel is so you get no scratches.
Protect the shaft.
Well, I think
It's all back together pretty much.
I think the cap off should make that whole setup.
Yeah, we're getting close to pretty much what's left, just besides the spring.
So we got to put it on the Ohlins vacuum fill machine.
Oh yeah, okay, which is right beside me here.
And this is to set the floating piston height.
Sam saw it. Because that cartridge rod, which is right here, is ruined. But if we did that.
And I gotta
Oh
take,
yeah, that's right.
I got to take a measurement.
That.
So I'm setting the piston height. That's set. Then we got to tighten it up so it doesn't move.
The price of the parts of this kind of stuff. So far, this is probably.
And then I always go back and double check that it didn't move.
Inner tube and outer tube. And then
Yeah,
a
so
cartridge.
you need a cartridge, and then
Two outers.
an outer tube. And then, oh man, this one might be salvageable because it's
Good.
Good to go.
just the tube itself is straighter. 'Cause
All right,
the tube
and
itself is straighter.
don't ever forget this clip when you put it on the vacuum machine, fill machine. Because if you forget this one little clip, you're going to have a big mess.
Oh yeah, it's all just gonna shoot out
Yes.
all the oil.
Yes.
How much oil does like a shock or most shocks hold?
Oh, not very much.
No, it's just like a tiny, maybe like what, 50 milliliters?
Not very much. How does that? Milliliters. You must be from Canada.
Quite a bit of run out there.
Yeah, that's that.
What are you doing over there? Checking to see if it's a true leg.
That would have to be fixed.
For any of you guys keep do what you want to them. I'm not gonna do anything with this stuff.
All right,
Yeah, we'll definitely
so-
do this after. Yeah, we can for sure.
Find the right fitting.
Is that sufficiently complicated?
I would assume.
Consider first.
Fair game.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate that.
Yeah. Sorry for the.
You want that?
We're
I
going
think you should hang up on the wall or something. Well, no, because you didn't.
to this
do it,
thing
so
on
it's kind of
tank
a
2. It's separate.
Yeah, we'll hold on to that.
We're
So
gonna,
this is a 1299, right?
this takes about 5 minutes to do, but basically it's going
It
to
doesn't have to
start vacuuming down the shock as you can see it move. It's going to take all the air out of the system, and then when that's done, it's going to fill it with oil. And then that's it.
Yeah. Well, keep your eye on eBay.
Hope you guys are enjoying the information from Barry. I know I'm learning a lot.
It's gonna suck to buy now, but it's still.
It takes about 20 seconds for it to bleed off.
That's it dropping right there.
Yeah.
Doo.
And this is why you want to have that clip in there. If you don't have that clip in there, you're going to have a big mess.
Yeah.
There it goes.
It's alive.
Oil. Yeah.
Had to do it too.
I'll be doing that for about 1 minute and 31 seconds. 29, just kidding. It from the machine now. Okay, it's got all pressure filled. Nice little handy machine Ohlins made. Your end cap on. And there's that clip. Same clip I used for the tool.